Hey everyone, this is Mark, and in this video I will be showing you the end result of my final project. So my project is the Game of the Generals. It's a board game that me and my friends back in high school used to play all the time. We even gambled on it, and it's about eliminating the flag or getting your flag across the board. So this is the main menu of the game. We got 4 different options: start game, load game, how to play, and quit. So start game will create a new instance of the game. Load will load the previous state of the game if you saved it, and how to play will display the game instruction in a new JFrame instance. Quit will quit the program, but it will prompt you first. So let's start the game. So when you start the game, a J dialog box will appear and will ask for the black player and white player name. And by the way, if I click abort, it will go back to the main menu. This is possible that it stays within the same frame because I used the J-layered pane, a component of the swing, instead of as opposed to just creating another instance of a frame, just like clicking how to play, it will create a new JFrame instance. But if you use a J-layered pane, they just hide some panels and make other panels appear. So if I start the game, it will remain in the same window, but it will change how it looks like. So it will ask for the black player and the white player name, say Cheska, my fiance by the way. And this is the part where both players should be arranging their pieces however they like within their territory. So I'm gonna arrange these pieces, and once you're done arranging, click done arrangings so the other player can have the chance to arrange their pieces. Okay, so I'm done arranging my all the pieces in the board, and now we're ready to start the game. Whoever the way I coded it, whoever started the game will have the first move, so either one of the two doesn't really matter. But if I start the game with the white player's move, it will make the first move. Okay, so this is what the game looks like in the in-game gameplay. So when you start the game, the highlight will change. The behavior of the highlight will change differently. So it will highlight the surrounding moves that a piece can do on depending on where your mouse is hovering on. So if I click this, it will set the tile active and will lock the highlight in that piece. So the gray highlight means that you cannot move that. That's invalid move. So if I click that, it will not execute because it's an invalid move. You can't do that in this game. But what you can do is move to a different colored highlight. Like blue means a normal move, and it will move the piece that you click, the active piece, to the destination tile that you click. So and the other highlight is the aggressive move. So obviously if you click on the other place's piece or the opponent, it will engage in an aggressive move, and the program will evaluate which one of the two has the upper rank, and the upper rank will remain in the game. The other player, the lower ranking, or the other piece will be eliminated from the board for good. So this is a 2-star general. Obviously, it will win against the sergeant, I think. So that's basically the game, how the game works, and the goal of the game, as I've said, is to eliminate the flag of the other player, or get your own flag to the other side of the board. So for example, if I eliminate the flag, it will end the game and declare that the black player wins the game. Game over, black player won. So that's basically it. And another thing that I want to show you is the undo and redo feature, and also the load and saving the game and loading the game. So if I restart this game, we will go into the arrange mode once again. And if I start it, we create a bunch of moves so we can save it later, or If I click undo, it will revert back to the previous turn, or revert the piece at the current turn back to its original its original tile. And if it's in an aggressive move, it will give back the pieces that has been eliminated from the game. And the redo button does the exact opposite of the undo. And if we want to save the game, we can just click save, and it will now save into a file named named after the current date and the timestamp. I'm gonna show you right now. So I save it. It will be saved in data save, and in one of the, it will be saved in this directory right here. So if we want to load that, so let's restart the game and load that game. It was this was the most recent one, so let's load this game. Load. Oh, this is the wrong save state. But as you can see, it actually worked, that it will load the previous saved game state. And if we want to go back to the main menu, we can just click quit. It will prompt you if you want to go back to main menu or quit the program. Back to main menu. Since this is a J-layered, it will just change the panel of the J-frame. If I haven't added an option to continue the game that you just left, but if you click start game, it will create a new instance of the game, and the player will be reassigned the player's name, quit. And I think that's pretty much it. I hope you like it.